Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE 2 using your phone. And all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and at the bottom of the charging case we have also USB-C port. So connect a second USB-C cable right at this port, and right here we can see the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. This earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we can't use reverse wireless charging. Only we can charge only with a cable. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!